In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for social media management. We'll walk through setting up a simple but powerful workflow that you can use to plan, create, and schedule your social content. By the end, you'll have a clear system you can reuse every week. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top left of the screen and click on the Create button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Project. Asana will show you a range of templates for different types of projects, but for this walkthrough, we're going to start from scratch. So look to the top right and choose the option that says Blank Project. Next, give your project a clear name. For example, you might call it Social Media Calendar or Monthly Content Plan. Set the project access based on who needs to see or collaborate on it. You might keep it private if it's just for you, or share it with your marketing team if you're collaborating. Once that's set, click Continue. Now Asana will ask you which views you want to use. Because we're managing a content workflow, a board view is especially helpful. It lets you see your posts moving through different stages, almost like a digital whiteboard. You can still add other views, like list or calendar, but make sure board view is selected so you can easily manage your content pipeline. Wait a moment for your project to finish creating and loading. Once it's ready, switch over to the board view if it's not already active. Here, we're going to create workflow columns. Click on Add Section and start naming your stages. Common stages for social media might be ideas, creating, scheduled, and posted. You can adjust these labels to match your own process, but the idea is to represent every step your content goes through. Now, within each column, start adding tasks. Click on Add Task and type in specific content ideas like Instagram Reel, morning routine, Facebook promo, weekend sale, or TikTok behind the scenes. You'll notice a small person icon on each task. Use this to assign the task to yourself or a teammate. There's also a calendar icon, which lets you set a due date or posting date so you stay on schedule. To add more detail, click on a task to open the panel on the right. Here, you can write a description with key points, paste draft captions, or add links. You can also create subtasks, such as write caption, design graphic, or get approval, and attach any relevant files, like images or video drafts. As your content progresses, you'll move tasks across the board. For example, once an idea is approved and you start working on it, drag that task from the ideas column into the creating column. When it's scheduled in your social media tool, move it into scheduled, and once it's live, drag it into posted. This visual movement gives you an instant snapshot of where everything stands. And that's it. You now have a simple but effective Asana setup for social media management that you can refine and build on as your content strategy grows.